This US-based teenager has broken YouTube. With just 5 videos, he has crossed 2.6 million views on YouTube. He has created a proven format, and this is what he has to say.
Except for the editing video, the most recent one, I was able to say for sure this is gonna do really well.
In this video, we will break down 7 strategies that he uses to go viral every time. Stick around till the end for 2 bonus points that every new creator should know. Let's get down to it. The first smart move he made is by selecting topics that every new YouTuber wants to know, such as how to improve video CTR, how to make your videos go viral, how to write better intros, how to get better at editing. This means he targeted everyone who is looking to get started on YouTube. Leo did not limit himself to topics like how to set up channel membership, which will not resonate with new creators out there. Because setting channel membership means you need to have 500 subscribers and 3000 watch hours, not when you are starting out. So the relevant audience for such videos will be low. In fact, Leo has admitted,
the overall skill that you need to focus on is stepping into the viewer's shoes. It's empathizing with the viewer, being able to look through the viewer's perspective at everything.
He calls it the popular area of interest. Coming to number 2, which can make or break your video. That is great packaging. Now packaging includes 2 things, titles and thumbnails. If you look at Leo's titles, you can see how he uses strong emotional words like this, and this. Even his thumbnails are simplistic, which convey the idea of the video without overwhelming the audience. I have helped a bunch of creators improve their thumbnail, so I can say simplistic thumbnails always work. The third factor in his strategy is grabbing attention, which he does by using strong hooks, which tell the audience that they have landed in the right place. If you look at his video, you can see he does not start his videos with a "Hey guys, I am Leo," which I have seen many new YouTubers and creators do. Leo starts his video like this.
Why are some videos irresistible while others are easily ignored?
Dang, you can see how hard he is hitting on the pain points of his audience. And look at this.
In this video, we'll uncover the secret strategy used by all of your favorite creators to make their content get millions of views.
Now, in this intro, he makes a bold promise, which keeps his users hooked. If you notice carefully, you can see how he uses fast-paced animations, elements, and text on screen to grab that attention. He is doing everything to keep you on your toes. The fourth factor in his strategy is that he divides the video into chapters to break down the entire video into digestible chunks. Now, what he does is, he connects one chapter with another with a reason for you to watch it. For example, here at the end of the first chapter, he gives you a reason to watch the next chapter.
So basically, if you put something in the title and thumbnail, then you've got to show it in the intro too.
Summary of the first chapter.
But now, there's something else you got to do that's often overlooked.
A reason to watch the next chapter. Now, the fifth factor, which many new YouTubers fail to implement, is making well-researched videos. So, what Leo does is that he uses a lot of examples to help his viewers understand. Also, he slows down from the intro and goes deep into the topic. And this is a non-negotiable because at the end of the day, your research and capacity to explain with examples will determine your content quality and the value you bring to the table. Just look at these examples. He's not only building trust with his content, but also establishing authority. Now, the sixth factor in his strategy is something that most new creators miss out. That is using end screens cleverly and ending the video with a problem that can be solved in the next video. And what happens is, when you ask your viewer to watch the next video, you promote channel binging. You make your viewers go from one video to another, which increases your views and watch time. For example, watch this.
The average video loses over a third of its audience in just the first 30 seconds. That's because the title and thumbnail are not compatible with the intro. Click here to change that with your videos.
Here he summarizes what you have learned from the current video. And now he is posing a new problem which I will cover in the next video. And this is a proven strategy if you implement it properly. Instead of using CTAs that no one cares about, such as like and subscribe to my channel. Last but not the least, the seventh factor in Leo's strategy is optimizing editing. Most creators think their editing has to be fancy or extensive, but Leo uses subtle editing, which is not crazy but conveys the point in a clear and an engaging way. You can note his opinion on wishy-washy editing, and I can't agree more.
I don't think the editing is honestly a huge importance, because like really what a viewer wants from your content is to like, feel something. Like they want to feel, like I use this example, Sam Sulek, in my editing video, like they want to feel the personal connection. They don't want to feel kind of lonely. They want to feel like they're with someone.
Now that's pretty much about Leo's strategy, but here are some bonus tips for all the new creators out there. Make videos on topics that you're passionate about, because only then you will enjoy the process and be able to deliver value to your audience. I mean, I made the mistake of making videos for views last year, and while it got me results in the short term, but it only burned me out and compromised my channel in the long run. You can even hear Leo's take on this.
I was making videos on Terraria when I hadn't actually played the game in like a year. I was just making them because like it's getting a lot of views, it's fun to make, but I wasn't actually like playing the game, so I wasn't too passionate about what I was talking about. I wanted to then make videos more just like what I was interested in myself.
The second bonus tip to give you a head start is that you should use AI to refine your scripts. This will help you to come up with engaging titles and scripts, but don't expect AI to make the full script or video for you. Like Leo also mentions here.
In the near future, it's going to be a big part of making videos, but not just like expecting AI to just like make a whole video for you.
Now, if you made it this far, then I want you to go and implement these strategies on your channel. But before you go, I have to tell you this. Leo is not alone in breaking the YouTube algorithm. There is Nico Omilana, who has decoded the Mr. Beast YouTube formula and has entered the 10 million views per video club. I have broken down his strategy that he uses to go viral every time. Watch in this video.